Hey, what up? McFly Trap, baby. I'm just here letting you know what I'm saying? It's kind of hard to do this and have a 40-hour-a-week career. But I do this. And I do it well, you feel me? I'm gonna just show you, you know what I'm saying? Just a little something to keep you interested. Keep your eyes on us. Who that? Who that? You might be like, who Trap? You probably would've knew that, except the fact that I'm a new cat. Born in the place where them cars, yeah, they do jack. New Jersey Drive, yeah, nigga, you might have viewed that. But Carolina's my home where me and my niggas do rap. And you get no love, cause everything that you do at. I need the big house, big cheese, and a million cars. But all I got is this degree and about 1 billion bars. You niggas ain't seeing Trap, so you need to stop it. I'm doing all black. And no, I'm not gothic. And I ain't selling clothes, but I'm the hot topic. Revolution in your face, how could you not watch it? Cause I consume the beat. I might have a bed, and then I have some bass, and then I have some snare. It's Trap and Stratton here, we hide in the atmosphere. You want to war with us, you better bring your best battle gear. Who that, Genius for the name? Who that, Genius for the name? Who that, Genius for the name? And all these other rap cats lame. We got them saying Trap, Star GS, nigga, hey. Trap, Star